So, you understand English. You watch English videos, movies. You understand what people say. But when it's your turn to speak, nothing comes out. Why does this happen? I've been there. I know how it feels. Let's talk about it today and how to fix it. Let me explain something clearly. Speaking and understanding are two different skills. You understand English because you've listened a lot, but you can't speak because you don't use English. Here are the main reasons. 1. You only learn passively. You read, you listen, but you don't speak. It's like watching someone ride a bike every day but never riding it yourself. 2. You are afraid of making mistakes. Many learners are scared to speak because they don't want to be wrong. But mistakes are normal. Everyone makes them. 3. You think too much. You want to speak perfect English. You translate every sentence in your head. That slows you down. Here's what I see many English learners doing, and it doesn't help. Studying too much grammar, not enough speaking, watching videos silently without repeating, reading English but never saying the words out loud, waiting for the perfect moment to speak English, which never comes. If you do these things, your speaking will stay weak, even if your understanding improves. Now, here's what you can start doing today. 1. Speak out loud, even when you're alone. Describe what you see. This is my room. I see a window. I am sitting on a chair. It's simple. It works. 2. Repeat after videos, shadowing. Choose one easy English video. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat it exactly. Copy the sound. This trains your mouth and memory. 3. Stop chasing perfect English. Speak using small words. Use what you know. It's okay to be slow. It's okay to make mistakes. 4. Record your voice. Talk about your day. Say your plans. You will hear your progress over time. Let's make this easy for you. Today, try this. Look around your room. Speak 5 sentences in English. For example, I see a fan. There is a phone on the table. I am sitting on my bed. The window is open. It is hot today. Do this every day for 1 week. No grammar books, no long lessons, just speak. You already understand English. That means your brain is ready. Now your mouth needs practice. Don't be silent. Don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait to be perfect. Start with simple words. Start small, but start now. Because the more you speak, the faster you grow. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and follow for more easy English tips. Speak more. Fear less. This is Vivid English Avenue, and I believe in your voice. Let's speak together. Vivid English Avenue Stories Channel.